Welcome to your step-by-step guide on becoming a notary public in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. In this presentation, we will walk you through the eligibility requirements, education and exam process, application steps, bonding, recording your commission, and the supplies you will need to begin notarizing legally and confidently. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of the entire process from start to finish. Here is your complete path to becoming a Pennsylvania notary. First, you will confirm that you meet the state's eligibility requirements. Next, you will complete the required 3-hour notary education course. After that, you will submit your application and pass the notary exam. Once approved, you will obtain and file your required surety bond. You will then record your commission and official signature with the county, and finally, purchase your essential notary supplies so you can begin performing notarial acts. To begin, you must ensure that you meet Pennsylvania's eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, be a legal resident of Pennsylvania, or be employed within the state, and be able to read and write English. You must not have disqualifying criminal convictions, particularly offenses involving fraud, dishonesty, or deceit. Meeting these basic qualifications is the foundation for moving forward in the notary application process. Once eligibility is confirmed, you are required to complete a 3-hour state-approved notary education course. This course provides essential instruction on Pennsylvania notary law, ethical responsibilities, and proper notarization procedures. The course must be completed before you take the notary exam and submit your application, and it ensures that all notaries understand their legal duties and obligations. After completing the education course, you will submit your notary application and take the required examination. The application is filed through the Pennsylvania Department of State and includes your personal information, course completion confirmation, and the required filing fee. The exam tests your understanding of notary laws, procedures, and best practices. Successful completion of both the application and exam is required before you can move forward in the commissioning process. Once your application and exam are approved, you must obtain a $10,000 surety bond. This bond is required for all Pennsylvania notaries and protects the public in the event of an error, omission, or misconduct during a notarization. The bond must be issued by an authorized provider and filed as part of your commissioning process. It is important to understand that this bond does not protect you personally. It exists to protect the public. After your bond is secured, you will record your commission and official signature with the county recorder of deeds in the county where you maintain your office of record. This step formally activates your commission at the county level and is required before you may perform any notarial acts. Recording must be completed within the time frame specified by the state to avoid delays or expiration of your appointment. With your commission recorded, you will then purchase your essential notary supplies. These include an official notary seal that meets Pennsylvania requirements and a notary journal used to record every notarial act you perform. Your journal helps protect both you and the public by maintaining a clear record of notarizations. Optional supplies may include acknowledgement and jurat forms, a secure journal lock, and errors and omissions insurance for added personal protection. Your total investment to become a Pennsylvania notary will vary depending on education fees, application costs, bond pricing, and supply choices. Once commissioned, your notary term provides you with the opportunity to serve your community, support businesses and individuals, and potentially earn supplemental income while upholding the integrity of the notarial process. If you have any questions about the process of becoming a notary or any other notary-related questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Notary Public Association support staff.